We're going to play a little game called Playbook. In this game, Sean is going to have lines, but Paul is not. So they're from this play, and we're going to give them a location, and then Paul is going to have the first line out. And Sean and Paul are going to work together to make this scene cohesive with these lines. So let's get an activity for them. What are they doing?
Cooking. Walking dog.
They're cooking.
We're playing baseball.
I think I heard cooking first. So you guys are cooking, okay? You guys are cooking. We'll find out where you are and where you are with each other. Okay? And let's give them a hand.
Souffle's out of the oven. It'll be ready for the anniversary dinner party now.
All my life.
No, it looks fine. I think it's going to be okay. You worry so. You shouldn't. Everything will be fine for Mother and Father's anniversary dinner.
Celia, why don't you get the point?
You always mock me for being slow. All right, look, I never scored well on tests or SATs or even in conversation I didn't do well, but I'm trying. Look, I made a nice souffle. I guess that's not the point, is it?
I always ask myself the question, too.
Of course you would. How else would you get to the point yourself? You have to ask the question. I'm trying to ask the right questions.
You like it?
I tasted it before I put it in the oven. I thought it was delicious.
I don't know.
No, it's not just the right. No, it's fine. I think I could make another, I suppose. But
All right, Celia. I know why you stay.
Well, I stay because I love you. I mean, you're my brother. We've shared this apartment for years now.
Can I ask you something? I get a feeling that you've never been with a woman. Am I right?
I don't really see what that has to do with the anniversary deal, but yes, it's true. If you mean been with in the biblical sense. You did, yes. I mean, you didn't mean just in the same room. I've been in the same room with a woman. I've even shared a car ride.
You're 32 years old. Isn't it about time we did? There's no need to be afraid. Have you ever touched a woman?
Well, I've brushed up a few in an elevator. I remember those moments very well.
Feel this.